Hi there, this is Jen, and welcome to my video today and to 2023. This is the first video of 2023, and I'm super excited that it is part of Kendra's card challenge. And this is challenge number 9, and I am actually going to be on the design team for Kendra's card challenge, and so I'm super excited about that. And this is a super fun way to use up all that paper that we all have in our stashes. And this is actually a hop with all of the design team members, and each of us are going to show a sketch. And if you're not familiar with Kendra's card challenges, I'll go ahead and leave a link. She has some videos that explain it really well, but basically it is taking 6 sheets of 6x6 paper and making 15 cards. And so the first 3 sheets that I just showed are the different cutting templates, and then these are the different sketches. And each design team member will have one of the sketches, and today I'm going to be doing just sketch number 15, but next week I will come out with a video of the remaining cards that I created for challenge number 9. And there is a giveaway associated with this hop, so all you have to do to be entered in the giveaway is like, comment on each stop of the way and fill in the Google form. And you can easily find all of the videos by clicking on the hashtag that I have in the description. Also, the description is going to have all the information you need about everything, so if you want to check that out. And the paper pad I'm using is this beautiful My Mind's Eye paper pad. It's an older paper pad, I believe. It's called Bliss, but it's kind of a wedding theme paper pad. It's got a lot of kind of roses and gold accents on it. And this is a double-sided paper pad. You can definitely use a single-sided, but you're going to get a little more mileage out of a double-sided just because you can decide which side of the paper you want to use. But you can definitely use single-sided, and I probably will at some point during the challenge just because there are some really pretty single-sided papers that I have. And I will go ahead and have links below for the documents that you need for the challenge. So basically you have the cutting templates. So you have A through F cutting templates, one for each of your 6x6 sheets. And so basically what I've done is I have just laid out my cuts that I've already made on top of each of the printouts. And I have one piece of directional pattern paper in this group of papers that I picked. And in the instructions, Kendra has put which cut files to use for directional pieces, and that is C, D, or F. And since I am using sketch 15 and that has an F, a piece of paper from the F cut file, that is why I chose to use the directional piece of paper that I have for my card today. But I went ahead and I wrote out the measurements. They are there, but my eyesight isn't as good as it used to be, and so I just wrote it out so I could easily see the measurements just by quickly looking at it. And this card has several different mats, and so I've got my first mat, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, which is the largest. My second piece of paper is that gold paper. I didn't want to use or waste that entire piece of paper behind another mat, and so basically I just took a die from my stash and cut the square out. So the gold piece of paper is 5 1/4 by 4, and then that third piece of paper on top is 5 by 3 3/4, and then I've got my piece of pattern paper that's going to go ahead and go on the bottom, and then there is a really small strip that goes diagonal across the top, and that piece of paper is 5 1/4 by 1/4. And for the kind of focal point of the card, I am going to go ahead and go with the heart. I think for my set of cards for this challenge, I'm going to make them thank you cards and Valentine's Day cards, and so you can use anything in place of that heart. It could be a circle, a square, a triangle, whatever you want to do, but I'm going to go ahead and use a heart. And so basically I've just taken a heart die and cut the paper out just 1/2 of the heart so that I could glue that to a solid piece and kind of lift the heart edges up. And I went ahead and I took some foam and added that to the back and then adhered that. And then I'm taking one of the one of the Tim Holtz sentiment stickers and adding a little bit of foam to that. And then I'm going to add that to the heart. And then to finish it off, I'll add the 3 little embellishments off on the right hand side. And that's going to finish off my card for today. We would love it if you would play along with the challenge. Again, it is from now until March 31st. There are lots of prizes that will be given away. All you have to do is join the challenge Facebook group and post your projects in there. Also, don't forget to go ahead and check out the next person in the hop. I sure appreciate you hanging out with me today. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.